What's up, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2015 Toyota RAV4. That's what the filter looks like. So basically what you want to do is come over to the passenger side. Sorry about the background noise, but I work in the shop. Can't really do nothing about it. Drop the glove box down. Once you drop it, you're going to have this arm on this side. You just pop that off. You just pull it towards you. Once you pop that off, you come up here and there's this little pull clip that you want to get from behind there. Same on the other side. I'm gonna need both hands. You got to pull them both at the same time, and then after you release them both, you can see that right there. After you release that one, and as well as the other one on the other side, the glove box drops right down, and then right back here, that's the cover. You take that release tab, pull that out, and you slide that cabin filter on out of there. Always take the new one and measure up just to make sure you got the proper cabin filter, which we do. Take that, slide the new one on in there, just like that. Get that cover on there, clip that into place, and that's that. Let me go ahead and set this camera down. So on the pickup, you want to make sure that that is still in place and that's still in place. That's the bottom of the glove box. So if so, then you just pick up on the glove box and you let those clamp back into place. All you need to do is just slide it back in place, and then it's good on that side as well as that side. Then you come down here, reattach the arm, and there you go. That's how you properly install a cabin filter on a 2015 Toyota RAV4, and that's under 2-minute installation, removal and install. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thank you for stopping by and watching. Have a good day.